Hey everyone! So your YCMOU exams are right around the corner, aren't they? And there is one thing you absolutely, positively cannot forget: your hall ticket. In this quick guide, we're going to walk through exactly how to get it, step by step, so you're all set for exam day.
So, let me ask you, is your hall ticket ready to go? You've got to think of it like your golden ticket for the exams. No ticket, no entry. It's as simple as that. But hey, don't sweat it. The whole process is actually pretty straightforward, and we're about to break it all down right now.
Okay, first things first. Before you even think about heading to the website, let's get our ducks in a row. A little bit of prep right now is going to make this whole thing super smooth.
You really only need a few things. Obviously, a computer or your phone and an internet connection. But the really important stuff? That's your PRN number and your date of birth. Seriously, have those handy because they're basically the keys to the whole kingdom.
All right, got everything you need? Awesome. Let's move on to step 2, actually finding the official university portal where these hall tickets are hiding.
This part is a piece of cake. Just pop up in Google and search for YCMOU. You'll see the official university link. It's usually the very first one. Go ahead and click that. Now, once you're on the home page, just scan the page for a button or a tab that says Hall Ticket. They usually make it pretty obvious. Found it? Click it, and boom, you're there.
Okay, listen up, because this next part is probably the most important step in this entire process. You see, the university actually has 2 different ways to download the hall ticket, and the one you need all comes down to your PRN number.
So, here it is, the big question. Go ahead and grab your PRN number, take a look. Does it begin with the digits 25? Because your answer to that question changes everything about what you do next.
So here's the deal with those 2 paths. If your PRN does start with 25, which is pretty common for most first-year students, you're going to need to click a special link on the page. Now for everybody else, maybe you're a second or third-year student, it's even simpler. You'll just enter your PRN and the little CAPTCHA code right there on that main page to get in. See the difference?
For this walkthrough, we're going to follow the path for students whose PRN number starts with 25, just because it has a couple of extra clicks. So, if that's you, let's go get that ticket.
Once you've clicked that special link, a new login page is going to pop up, and it could not be simpler. All you do is type your PRN number into the box and then hit that login button.
And just like that, you're in. You've landed on your personal student portal. You'll probably see 3 main tabs. There's one for your exam form, another for downloading your mark sheet later on, but we're not worried about those today. Your eyes should go straight to that first tab, Hall Ticket Download.
Go on, click that Hall Ticket Download tab. And there it is! Success! Your exam seat number has officially been generated. You should be able to see it right there on your screen. This is fantastic news. It means you are locked in and ready for the exam.
Now here's a really important heads up. You'll see your seat number, which is great, but you might notice the actual blue download button for the PDF isn't working just yet. And that's totally normal. The university usually flips the switch on the download a few days after the numbers go live. So the key takeaway here is do not panic. Your spot is confirmed. The download is coming very soon.
So you've confirmed your seat number is there. You're basically at the finish line. The only thing left to do now is just wait a tiny bit longer before you can get that ticket in your hand.
In the next day or 2, just log back in, and you should find that the download button is active. Click it, save the PDF to your device, and get it printed out. That printout is your official ticket into the examination center.
And that's really all there is to it. Pretty simple, right? Especially when you know about that little fork in the road with the PRN numbers. So, here's a final thought. Now that you're an expert, do your friends and classmates know this information? Sharing these steps could save someone a lot of last-minute stress. Good luck with your exams!